best chef from Sicily. And today we're going to make polenta. Used to be considered the poor people food, but nowadays they serve at a lot of fancy restaurants. We need 4 cups of water that is already boiling, and to that we're going to add 4 cups of polenta, and I prefer to wet it, otherwise it lumps when you cook it. So I'm going to wet it, and here I have a spoon. To the water you add a teaspoon of salt. Okay. And now we add the wet polenta and keep stirring it. We're going to let this mixture boil for about 25-30 minutes. 30 minutes slow, but you gotta keep stirring, otherwise the polenta will stick to the pan. And now the polenta is already cooked, so we have to butter the pan. And we need also a cup of cheese. We need 2 cups of tomato sauce. And we are ready to go. Take a little butter and press it all around because we don't want it to stick, and also adds taste to the polenta. I shut off the polenta. We're going to put a half of the polenta in the pan. So now we're going to add the sauce. And now we're going to add the cheese. And now we're going to put the remaining polenta on top. But the rest of the sauce. We're going to finish with the cheese. Okay, now we are ready to bake it. We're going to bake it at 350 for about 20 minutes until everything gets warm and the cheese melts. Right, we gotta warm up the oven, and then we put the casserole in for about 20 minutes until the cheese is melted. Thanks for watching today, and I would like to thank my grandson, which recorded me, and my northern Italian family, and my husband, for exposing me to this dish, polenta.